kids. How are you all? Hope so you all are good. So, here I welcome you all in your class. Okay, so here we will start with chapter number 2 of your book. Chapter number 1 is completed. Yes, so we will move on chapter number 2. So guess what? The name of the chapter is Friendly Greeting. That means in this chapter we will see what are the friendly greetings. Like when you have to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. Yes, so we will see when and where we have to use these greeting words. What are they? Okay, so let's start. Start up with warm up. Warm up means here is a short poem based on the friendly greeting. Okay, so let's see. Good morning, sun so bright, waking up to morning light. Birds are singing, skies are blue, a fresh new day begins for you. So this is it's showing our daytime, morning time, in which birds are singing and a fresh day is started. So this is the time of morning. Next, good afternoon. The world is bright. Now the world is brighter because now it is good afternoon. So good afternoon, the world is bright. Sunshine fills the day with light. Time to learn and play time to learn and time to play. Enjoy the wonders of the day. Okay, so this is the afternoon time. Afternoon time, after that it comes evening time, the play time, the relaxing time. So good evening, stars appears, twinkling in the sky so clear. Now the stars appear and they start twinkling, twinkling, twinkling. Day is done, it's time to rest. Hope your evening is the best. Hope so your evening is the best. And the last, good night, mom, and stars so bright. Time to sleep till morning light. Close your eyes and rest your hand. Sweet dreams follow your bed. So it is a night time. That means in which you have to say good night to everyone. Good night trees, good night moon, good night stars, good night parents. And it's time for sleep. And close your eyes and have a good sleep. So this is how showing morning after good afternoon, after that good evening, after a good night comes. Okay, so this is showing how in a day all these things comes up one by one. Okay, so let's see. We greet each other with good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night for several reasons. So why we greet everyone? When you have to meet with someone, with your teachers, with your parents, with your elders, with anyone, so you have to greet with them. Good morning. Like this, we say. Why we have to say all these words? Why we have to greet someone? Let's see why. First is saying good morning or good evening is a polite and show respect. What does these words show? Respect. It makes people feel nice and start the conversation well. So people feel very nice. After that, when you have to say, for example, when you go to schools, observe these things. When you have to say good morning to your teachers will be happy for that. It's showing that you are respecting to that teacher. So that's why we say good morning, okay, in the school. Next is these greetings are a part of our culture and good manners. So it is a part of our culture and as well as the good manners. It inculcates the good manners that if you are saying all these things, that means you are a good person. Okay? It's the right way to behave in a social situation. Next is greeting help us to connect with others also. So you can able to connect with others when you have to greet other person. Saying good morning or good night can start a friendly chat. Okay. Next is these greetings tell us time of the day also. If someone say good evening, that means it's the evening time. If someone say good morning, then you have to identify the time. Okay. And the last, starting with a happy greeting like good morning makes everyone feel good and spread cheer. Especially in the morning, you have to say good morning everyone, happy morning everyone. That means you are greeting everyone with a happy, That means your day, the whole day will be happy if you say good morning to everyone. Okay, so always say good morning to your teachers in the school. Do you say these things? Hope so you say this. Yes? Okay, that's good. That means you all are good students. Okay, so what are the general timing for different greetings? So what are the timings? So when you have to say good morning, when you have to say good night, when you have to say good evening, does they have a specific time? Yes, my dear learners, they have the specific times. Like good morning. So good morning time is between from when you wake up till around 12 noon. You have to say good morning to everyone, to teachers, to your parents, to anyone. Okay, next. After good morning, it's come good afternoon. The time period of good afternoon is from 12 p.m. until around 6 p.m. So this is the time period of the afternoon. After afternoon, it come good evening. So from around 6 p.m. until bedtime, good evening time, and good night time when you go to the bed and just sleep. So when going to a bed or when parting way for the night, that is good night. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. These are the greeting words. Okay? So these words we can use in a day according to the time. Okay? Hope so it is clear. Okay. Now story time. Story is based on the whispering tree of respect. Let's see what the story tells to you. Try to understand it. Okay? What this tree whispers for respect. Okay? So in a village, Sunshine Elementary School was full of friendly students. So in Sunshine School, students are very friendly. Miss Lily taught them about respect with a story about a wise tree named Oakley. Miss Lily told everyone about a story about a wise tree. The name of that tree is Oakley. Oakley saw the villagers being unkind and decided to teach them about respect. See, when this wise tree thinks and when this wise tree feels that everyone in this village is very unkind, they do not have these things, respect, care, sharing, helpfulness, all these words, all these qualities are not in these villagers. So these wise men have to change something. So what this tree do? Oakley whispers to the wind, respect is the key to be happy village. See, this sentence, the tree whisper in the wind. When these words whisper in the wind, it spread through the whole village. So the wind spread this message. Which message? Respect is the key to be a happy village. If there is no respect, no happiness is there. So the next day, the villagers change. See, when the wind transfer this message to the whole villagers, next day all the villagers change. See, this is a story. Okay, it is not real, but they teaches you how all the things change if you give respect to other person. Yes, the things changed. Okay, so the next day the villagers changed. Sam shared his toys. Marine listened well, and Jack helped others being asked. They used polite words and respected each others also. So the villages became peaceful and happy. Then the villages will be peaceful and happy. See, the different villages there. Miss Lily told her students to practice respect like the villagers. They promised to be kind and respectful every day. So if you are respectful, if you are kind, that is good. So the moral of the story is respect makes our world better. So always try to give respect whether the person is elder than you or younger than you. You have to give respect to that person. So this is a short story. I'm hoping so it is clear. Now, let us remember some points that we already discussed. Like good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good night. So let's see what, where, and how the things are there at these times. First, we will see good morning. So rise and shines, it's good morning time. Start your day with a cheerful good morning. Good morning being a happy start. So these things are for the good morning in which you have to start your day with a cheerful and a happy mood. Okay. Next, after good morning, it comes good afternoon. So good afternoon, let's keep the fun going. Good afternoon, time to shine bright. Good afternoon makes the most of your day. Okay? After good afternoon, it came good evening. So good evening, relax and unwind. Good evening, stars are coming out. Good evening, time to slow down. Now, it's time to relax, it's time to slow down, it's time to be, it's time to play, okay? Next, after that, good night comes. So good night, sleep tight. Good night, sweet dreams ahead. Good night, rest well for tomorrow. So this is the thing we already discussed about the friendly greeting. Hope so the friendly greeting chapter is clear to you. And you are also clear to you if you want to give respect to other person, if you are to be kind to the other person, then only you have to use these words. Hope so, my dear kids, my students will use these words to greet the other person. Yes? Are you using it? That's great. So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Hope so this class is useful to you, and do you also hope so this class is useful to you. Okay, so that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.